あ、ちょっと裾が白いんやろ。
ここで下ろされたらもう終わりや。あ、それや。
Just like the last site, it rained 2 days in a row as expected. So we suspended for a day and worked on the roof the next day. Although rain hampers the construction, fortunately, the roofing day was sunny. Next is angle brace and hardware. This work should be done as soon as the framing is finished. There is no problem if the weather is good, but if there is a typhoon or earthquake, the building may shift or tilt. To prepare for a disaster, I secure the angle brace and hardware firmly after framing as soon as possible. On this day, the interior work begins. Framing is completed after securing the angle braces. I install the window sash and door frame. There are various types of sashes and frames, such as sliding types or fixed ones, so the installation process differs. I had the most trouble installing this window sash, since it's for two 135cm wide pieces of glass. It was very difficult to hold it, but it's a gorgeous window once installed. After installing the sash and load-bearing wall, I start the installation work. This installation takes a lot of work. Styrofoam is used for both the wall and the foundation. I work outside if the weather is nice. First is the Noki den. The Noki-ura is made from cedar planks. In the case of an entrance, the area is called a porch. In this 1.8 meter square space, I first install the hanging wall, then the flat Nokiura. The material is cedar, which is the same as a Noki-den. If it's a porch, we call it a ceiling instead of Nokiura, but the installation is the same. Next is inside joinery work. I start with the ceiling on the second floor.